the sixth planet from the Sun, the second largest after Jupiter, and one of the most beautiful planets to exist in the solar system, Saturn or Shani holds a very strong and important position in Vedic astrology. Shani has 82 moons and 7 rings made of ice and rock coated with dust. He is considered to be the universal judge of the entire world, a son to Lord Surya and shadow. Shani is the generous giver of long life and is on each zodiac for a duration of 2.5 years. When Surya did not behave well with Chaya, Shani grew angry and became unhappy and dejected. His relationship with his father was ever so strained and uncomfortable. Hence, when we look at the characteristics of the planet, cold, dry, and ringed, barren, binding, defensive, hard, nervous, and secretive, it brings us back to the story of this planet. Sorrow, death, pain, ailments, diseases, age, slavery, detachment, journey are all signified by Shani. It is known as the malevolent planet with unfavorable influences. Shani is called a cruel planet in various ancient texts. It is known as Yama in Indian culture because of being the responsible planet for death. In Western culture, Saturn is referred to as Saint Peter, who is holding keys to heaven and hell. It creates delay and brings hardships to people in their lifetime. Shani is known to be the judge of the past deeds of a person in his life. It brings obstacles, selfishness, poverty, aging, and diseases to a person who has a weak Saturn in his or her horoscope. He has to face slow progress even though he or she works very hard. On the other hand, if Saturn is placed well in a person's chart, he or she will see a favorable growth in terms of profession, career, and business. They will start to see gradual success in name, fame, and career. Capricorn and Aquarius are guided by Saturn. Libra is exalted by the planet and Aries is debilitated. The very well known phenomena experienced by a lot is Sade Sati, which means 7.5 years of hardship and challenges. It is also known as the period that invites growth, achievements, and recognitions. A person goes through all kinds of mental disruptions like anxiety, stress, tension, loss of mental peace, and harmony. This is also the period where, due to mental stress, relations with families and friends are at stake. Praying to Shani Dev and doing a Shani Puja is said to have immense relief on these hardships. The auspicious day for Saturn is Saturday and the direction is west. Pushya, Anuradha, Uttara Bhadrapad are the constellations under Saturn's rule. It takes 30 years for the planet to orbit around the entire constellation in the solar system. Rahu, Venus, Mercury are the friends of this planet, and Jupiter is on neutral terms with it. The metal beneficial for people guided by Saturn is iron and stone of blue sapphire, which is also called Neelam. Saturn rules the bones, legs, nervous system in a human being, along with the right ear, teeth, spinal cord, and hair. Saturn gives a dark color, poor build, thick nails, coarse and thick hair, long hands and feet, along with the feature of looking older than the actual age of a person. Cold, deafness, tooth decay, asthma, defective speech, hemorrhoids, and fracture are some of the diseases caused by Saturn not being in the favorable position in a person's chart. Along with the various ill effects of the planet, Saturn is a generous giver of endurance, patience, perseverance, stability, self-control, accuracy, sincerity, meditation, concentration, and prevention in matters.